In fields where ancient shadows fall, where time and earth entwine, the lentils grow in quiet grace, a humble gift divine. Our story begins in ancient Mesopotamia, around 8000 BCE. Archaeologists have uncovered evidence of lentils being cultivated in the Fertile Crescent, one of the birthplaces of agriculture. These tiny seeds were among the first crops to be domesticated, alongside wheat and barley. From Mesopotamian dawns they came, in tales of yore they weave, their seeds a promise of the earth, in every harvest cleave. Lentils are one of the oldest cultivated crops in human history. Their story begins in the Fertile Crescent, an area spanning parts of modern-day Egypt, Syria, and Turkey. Ancient civilizations quickly recognized their value, with lentils becoming a staple food in many cultures. Biblical connections. Did you know that lentils even make an appearance in the Bible? In the book of Genesis, Esau famously traded his birthright for a bowl of lentil stew. Talk about a powerful legume. Lentils, often overshadowed by their more glamorous counterparts, have been nourishing civilizations for thousands of years. But what makes these tiny legumes so extraordinary? Let's take a journey through history and health to find out. Lentils traveled far and wide, becoming a staple in many ancient diets. From the Roman Empire, where they were enjoyed by soldiers and civilians alike, to India, where they became central to a variety of traditional dishes like dal. Rainbow of varieties. Lentils come in a stunning array of colors, including yellow, green, red, orange, black, and brown. Each variety has its own unique flavor profile and cooking properties, making lentils an incredibly versatile ingredient in the kitchen. First up, lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein. They provide about 18 grams of protein per cooked cup, making them a great alternative for vegetarians and vegans. They're also rich in fiber, which helps maintain healthy digestion and can keep you feeling full longer. Iron-clad health. Feeling sluggish? Lentils might be your answer. They're a great source of iron, providing over a third of your daily needs in just one cup. In vibrant hues of green and red, they paint the dish with pride. With protein-rich and fiber-strong, they nourish far and wide. Health benefits of lentils. Good for digestive health. The high fiber content in lentils aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. Fiber also supports a healthy gut microbiome. Heart health hero. The combination of fiber, folate, and magnesium in lentils works wonders for your heart. Lentils can help lower cholesterol levels due to their soluble fiber content. They also contain potassium, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Helps manage blood sugar. Lentils have a low glycemic index, which means they release glucose slowly into the bloodstream. This helps in stabilizing blood sugar levels and can be beneficial for people with diabetes. Aids in weight management. The combination of protein and fiber in lentils promotes satiety, which can help in controlling appetite and managing weight. Supports bone health. Lentils contain minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, which are important for maintaining strong and healthy bones. May reduce risk of chronic diseases. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in lentils can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are linked to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Cooking tips. Here's a pro tip. Unlike many other legumes, lentils don't require soaking before cooking. Incorporating lentils into your diet is easy and versatile. You can use them in soups, stews, salads, and even as a meat substitute in various recipes. Simply rinse them, add water, and they'll be ready in about 20 minutes for most varieties. Red lentils cook even faster, usually in just 5 minutes. In soups that simmer, stews that blend, in salads fresh and bright, they dance on taste buds, calm and kind, a comfort in each bite. Recipe: lentil and vegetable soup. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion, diced, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 2 carrots, sliced, 2 celery stalks, sliced, 1 bell pepper, diced, any color, 1 cup dried green or brown lentils, rinsed, 1 can, 14.5 ounces, diced organic tomatoes, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 bay leaf, 2 cups fresh spinach or kale, optional, pinch of salt and pepper, to taste, lemon wedges, for serving, optional, instructions. Sauté the vegetables. Heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the diced onion and cook until it becomes translucent, about 5 minutes. Add the minced garlic and cook for another 1-2 minutes. Add the carrots and celery. Stir in the sliced carrots and celery. Cook for about 5 minutes until they start to soften. Add bell pepper and spices. Add the diced bell pepper, ground cumin, paprika, turmeric, dried thyme, and bay leaf. Stir well to combine and cook for another 2 minutes. Incorporate lentils and organic tomatoes. Add the rinsed lentils, diced tomatoes, with their juice, and vegetable broth. Stir to combine. Simmer the soup. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover and simmer for 25-30 minutes, or until the lentils are tender and the vegetables are cooked through. Stir occasionally. Add greens, optional. If using spinach or kale, stir it into the soup during the last 5 minutes of cooking. The greens will wilt quickly. Season and serve. Remove the bay leaf. Taste the soup and season with salt and pepper as needed. Serve hot with a squeeze of lemon juice if desired. This soup is hearty and flavorful, and it's great for making ahead and enjoying throughout the week. Enjoy. Lentil soup with a twist. Make a comforting lentil soup by adding unexpected flavors like coconut milk and curry spices. Red lentils break down easily, creating a creamy base that pairs wonderfully with spices, making it a perfect dish for cold days. O lentils, small but grandly bold, with history in your veins, you speak of ancient lands and times, of harvests and of rains. Now, it is time for a funny dialogue between lentil and a bean. They are arguing who is the better legume. Lentil. Honestly, bean, I don't know why you always have to brag. I mean, I'm the one who's the ultimate protein-packed superfood. Bean. Oh, really? Well, let's not forget who's the star of the show in so many classic dishes. Ever heard of chili without beans? Exactly, lentil. Ha. Chili without beans is like a movie without a plot. Besides, I'm quicker to cook. You beans are always taking ages to soften. Bean. True, but that's because we bean are forever great and all about depth and flavor. You lentils are just a flash in the pan. Lentil. A flash in the pan? I think you mean I'm the modern, quick cooking hero. And speaking of depth, have you seen my nutritional profile? I'm basically a legume superhero. Bean. Yeah, well, at least I don't need a cheat day to be amazing. Beans can be everything from baked to refried to blackened, versatility at its finest. Lentil. Oh, come on. We both know you beans have your limits. Ever tried to make a lentil soup with you? It would just be, bean dull. Bean dull? Is that your best shot? Well, at least I'm not as small as you. Size matters, you know, lentil. Size doesn't matter if you're packing all the right nutrients. And let's be real, when was the last time someone called you cute? Bean. Cute? I'm a staple. I'm comfort food. And if you're cute, then I'm the bean beauty, classic, beloved comfort. Lentil? Well, if classic is your thing, then I guess I'll just stick with being the quick, nutrient-dense star of the show. Bean. Fine. Let's agree to disagree. You're fast and nutritious, and I'm classic and versatile. Deal? Lentil. Deal? But don't get too comfy. I've got a feeling I'll be stealing the spotlight again soon. Bean. We'll see about that. Just remember, in the legume world, there's room for both of us. Lentil. Agreed. After all, who would want a meal without a bit of friendly legume rivalry? Bean. Exactly. Here's to keeping things stirred up in the kitchen. Stay happy and legume healthy. I will see you in my next nutritious episode. Here's to you, the ancient seed, with strength and health you bring, a legacy of earth and care, in every meal you sing. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.